Hey everyone, for this video, I'll teach you how to access age-restricted Discord servers. With this tutorial, you will be able to see what's behind those restricted texts. The first step is to open your Discord. Now, go to your profile, which is where I am, and see what your username is. Once you have your username, go to Safari or any other browser that you have, and then search for discord.gg. I meant discord.com. Log into your account from here, and then make sure age restricted is turned off in privacy settings once you sign in. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.